wishing me to call you when you're turning me on.
Hello gorgeons, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing this unit from Abby's hair. So the wig is deep wave, 28 inches, and also is 13 by 4 lace wig. So this hair is so gorgeous. I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. The hair did not tangle, you can see, and the length is everything. With all that being said, let's move ahead to this hair tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. It's 13 by 4 lace wig. I think so. I'm going to check. Came with some combs here, about 4 combs and an adjustable strap. So the hair is deep wave. So guys, you can see the hairline. It came pre-plucked. You can see, and came from center part already. I like so much center part. So I'll say to like make it more longer. So I'm just going to make the pattern straight. Let me see the joining of the wig. Okay, the joining is here. Okay, still very far. You see the joining is from here, this part here. So I can still twist little from it, and the front, see shedding from it, just some little string. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me show you guys here. You can see little string of shedding, just very little. This is nothing. So this is the wig on. I am filming with natural light. I just want to try it because I don't know why if I on light the hair will be dark. So I just want to try it like this today. Hope you guys are seeing the real color of the hair. I just hope the real color is showing. So I left it center part, as you guys can see. I don't want to use Got to Be glue to glue this hair down. I want to use styling gel or clean makeup from my forehead so that this can glue well.
Tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, you get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. really tryna find the pieces when you rip it off. Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off. Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stingy how you taking all my time. Left, right, yeah, you took it all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stingy how you taking all my time. Left, right, yeah, you took it all night.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
So I'm going to use it. I've waited for some time. Let's mix this and see.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All this money on me. Yeah, yeah. Cash rolls all around me. Yeah, yeah. All this money around me. Yeah, yeah. Cash rolls all around me.
So guys, this is the finished look of the hair.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I tell a long little real life, stay true to that. Hey, never mind how you feel like a man with that. I tell a long little real life, stay true to that.
Hey, big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flush time. My drip drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese.
So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. I love the quality of the hair. Remember, it's from Abby's Hair. I love the quality, I love the deep wave, and it's 28 inches. Please, before you go, gorgeous, don't hesitate to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, it pay me, but I'm old.